Hello and welcome to the week ahead. So just in terms of some of the key trading themes that we're looking out for this week, from a European perspective, just starting off, of course, all eyes are still very much on any developments, or perhaps lack of developments, regarding Greece. So on Friday we did that Eurozone Finance Minister meeting whereby talks did break down with no real meaningful progress. So as such, the Eurogroup there to reassess the situation on May the 11th. But just in terms of some of the weekend commentary we have seen quite a few pieces about a potential plan B for Greece, i.e. should they exit the Eurozone, what would the Eurozone's response be? However, we have seen the likes of German Finance Minister Schäuble saying that such a plan should not be considered, as well as EU's Juncker saying that he doesn't want to discuss any potential plans through fears they could be leaked. But nonetheless, one thing that has been stressed throughout the weekend is Greece are very much running out of time, with Eurogroup's Dijsselbloem saying that Greece doesn't have months, only has weeks before it'll run out of cash. Over the weekend, there was also some talk in the ranting Greek press suggesting that the Greek Finance Minister Varoufakis could be replaced very shortly. However, today we actually seen the Greek government come out and reiterate their support for the Finance Minister. So look out for any further developments regarding Greece. Across the pond in the US, the main release this week will of course be the latest FOMC rate decision, so it's not expected to be as much of a market mover given it's not having the press conference or economic projections. Just in terms of expectations, it's very much just expected to be a reiteration of what we've already seen from the Fed, with them stressing that they're to remain data dependent. And on the subject of data, a couple of weeks ago we did see some really lacklustre US data. This will be something people will be watching out for. However, if the Fed do highlight that such effects for this data will be transitory, then we could see an increase in expectations for the Fed to lift off rates before the end of 2015. And elsewhere, just from the corporate earnings slate, we do have earnings from Apple aftermarket, so that'll be one that's very much looked out for, so they're due to report at 9:30 PM London time. EPS expected at $2.14, and they're expected to have sold 58.1 million iPhones. But just for the release, one of the more interesting things we'll be looking out for is regards to their capital allocation plans, which currently stand at $130 billion, with some analysts suggesting we could actually see this increase to a figure of circa around about $150 billion. So just the main things we're going to be looking out for throughout the week, and good luck.